Pony AI has nearly doubled since the first time I covered it. It was trading at $11.78 and now it's at $21.17. So the question is, can Pony AI keep skyrocketing higher, or is this where the ride stalls? My name is Rick Orford. I've been trading since 1999, and no, I am not a financial advisor. That's a good thing. I'm not here to sell you something that you don't want. I don't do hype. I break down the numbers so retail investors like you and me can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/Ricko to get your 10 stock picks right now. So what does Pony AI do anyway? Well, they are powering robotaxis across China, growing revenue triple digits, and partnering with companies like Toyota. And stick with me until the end, because I'm going to explain why Wall Street calls this stock a strong buy. Pony AI was founded in 2016 and they're headquartered in California, but operate mostly in China. Pony AI develops autonomous driving systems through their virtual driver technology, the brains behind self-driving cars. The company's focus is threefold: robotaxis, robotrucks, and personally owned vehicles. Robotaxis are already live in Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Real passengers, real fares, and no drivers. This isn't theory. This is happening right now in China's biggest cities. Pony targets two markets: everyday riders in urban China and automakers that can license its technology. Its current partners include Toyota, GAC, and BAIC. These are major Asian automakers. China's more lenient AV regulations gave Pony the ability to commercialize quickly, something that the US-based rivals like Waymo and Cruise are still fighting for. Now, the stock. Pony trades at $21 today, up from $11.78 when I last covered it. That's an 80% pop. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock is traded between $4.11 and $23.88. Year to date, it's up 47%. This stock moves a lot. Daily swings of 5 to 10% are not unusual. And if you're checking your portfolio every hour, Pony stock is probably not good for your blood pressure. So what could keep Pony stock climbing? Well, first, robotaxis in China's tier 1 cities: Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Pony is among the first companies approved for fully autonomous commercial taxi service. No safety drivers. That means it's already charging fares in the wealthiest, densest markets. And if you're wondering when the business model goes live, the answer is it already is. Second, it's mass production, right? Two major Chinese state-owned automakers started producing Gen 7 robotaxis with Pony's virtual driver just this past July. Management's goal is a fleet of 1,000 AVs by 2025, or the end of this year. Scaling production lowers costs and accelerates revenue. Third, it's the partnerships. Toyota just chose Pony as its partner for autonomous tech in China. That is a major endorsement. Toyota could have partnered with Waymo or Tesla, but it went with Pony. This gives Pony manufacturing at scale without spending billions on factories. And four, it's their international expansion. Pony has a deal with ComfortDelGro in Singapore, which runs 30,000 vehicles across 12 countries. And then there's even a pilot project in Qatar. Testing is already underway in Doha, and this proves Pony's tech isn't just Chinese, it works globally. So that's what I love about Pony. But of course, there's risks, which I'm going to cover in my next video about Pony AI. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss it. Now, what did the analysts say? Well, out of 6 Wall Street analysts, 5 rate the stock a strong buy, and 1 a hold. 0 sells. Price targets go as high as $27, suggesting as much as 30% upside from here. So here's the bottom line. Pony AI is one of the earliest AV companies to reach full commercialization. It has the permits, the partners, and paying customers, but it's still a speculative bet as there are risks to the company, which I'll cover in an upcoming video. For me, this is a 1 to 2% position, enough to matter if it works, but not enough to wreck you if it doesn't. But what about you? Do you believe in what Pony is building? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps others find this video and keeps you in the loop for my next deep dive. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.